In this video, we are going to examine statements. Symbolic logic uses letters to represent statements and symbols for words like and, or not. Logic is used to determine truth value. Is a statement true or false of statements with multiple parts? Symbolic logic discusses only statements involving facts. A statement is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. The following sentences are statements. They are either true or false. Text messaging provides a means of communication. 12 plus 6 equals 13. The first statement is true. We use text messaging to communicate all the time. The second statement is false. 12 plus 6 is 18, not 13. The following sentences are not statements. They cannot be said to be true or false. Access the file, that's a command. It's not saying something true or false, it's just telling somebody to do something. Did the Cubs win the World Series? It's a question. It's not true or false, it's asking for information. Kyrie Irving is a better basketball player than James Harden. That's an opinion. I don't know much about basketball. I have heard of both of these players, but I can't say much more about that. But we cannot objectively say that this is true or false without looking at more details. Irving may have a better free throw rate than Harden, but Harden could take more shots from the, could do better. I don't know. I don't know basketball. This is an opinion. We can't say it's true or false. This final thing says this statement is false. And that's not a statement because it can't be either true or false. Because if this statement is false is true, then the statement is false. But if the statement is false, then it's true. Statements can get complicated sometimes. A compound statement may be formed by combining two or more statements. The statements comprising a compound statement are called component statements. Various logical connectives, such as and, or, not, and if then, can be used in forming compound statements. So we're going to decide whether each of these statements is compound, and if so, we'll identify the connective. Lord Byron wrote sonnets, and the poem exhibits iambic pentameter. That's an and, it's a compound sentence, a compound statement. You can pay me now, or you can pay me later. Or is our logical connective. This is a compound statement. If it's on the internet, then it must be true. If then is our logical connective, and this is a very inaccurate compound statement. My accountant works for Ernst & Young. There is an and in here, but it's not used as a logical connective. It's not connecting two statements. This is just the name of the company that the accountant works for. So this is not compound.